Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can check your current plan and also how you can put a request to downgrade yourself and how you can even upgrade your plan. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, click on the subscription panel on the left hand side. Go to the current plan. It will show you the current plan that you are on and also when the plan is going to expire. Alright, and next thing that you can check from here, if you want to upgrade yourself to the higher plan, you can simply click on this option and you can click on change plan option. It will give you the option of changing the plan. Alright, next option, in case if you want to put a downgrade request, in case if you want to downgrade this account, just click on change plan or it will give you an option to put a request to downgrade, and whenever your current billing cycle will expire, that request will take into place and accordingly the account will be downgraded. This is how you can currently downgrade and upgrade your account. In case if you have any questions regarding the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.